All right, let me show you what the formula assistant we just launched at Grid can do for you. Here I have a very simple dataset with student names in column A and their grades in column B, and I want to ask a few questions of that dataset. I enable the formula assistant with a double slash, AI enabled, and it wants me to describe the formula. So I simply say second highest value in column B. It will suggest the formula to me, and the formula is large BB2. I accept that, 9.32. 9.32 is indeed the second highest value after 9.74 for Leia. Now, what's the name of that student? Double slash again, name from AE, where B equals E2. Give it a little bit of a thinking, and comes back with index match formula. Hasn't read is indeed the name of that student. Now, how many students have a grade higher than 8? Again, double slash, number of values in column B larger than 8. And what it comes back with is count if B higher than 8. I could change this if I needed to do some edits to it, but I'm just going to accept that. 5 students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's indeed right. So what's the average grade of some selected students? As you can see, I've marked John O'Connor here in column C. So let's just do a double slash average from column B where C is X. What's the suggestion there? Average if CC X BB and 9.06. Yes, that is indeed the average of that one value. And then if I make a few more selections, it calculates the average. Nothing unique about that. It's just a regular spreadsheet formula. The only thing that's unique is that it was created or suggested by a natural language formula assistant. Finally, let's see if it can do something a little bit more complicated. Let's see if we can sort the students. So sort this by column B. And it comes back with a sort, and let's accept that. Just works. These are the students in order of their grades. Pretty amazing, isn't it?